Hi everybody, this is Sharat Baswanda, and this is a recording as a part of fulfillment for the assignment 3 for the CISC665 Biometric Security System course. As a part of this assignment 3, we are supposed to set up a VM and play around with the images, like reading the image and changing the image format and saving the image and so on and so forth. So to complete this assignment, we were supposed to install OpenCV, Python, NumPy, and SciFi. And we were, I mean, there are different IDEs to develop Python scripts, right? Like a Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda, so on and so forth. But for this, I have installed PyCharm. PyCharm it's an IDE which can be used to develop the Python scripts and also compile the scripts and run the scripts, right? Now let's open up the PyCharm here. So if you can see here, let's go at the first program. What's that first program does? So the first program is basically is used to read the images. All right. As you can see here, import CV2. This particular line of code, what it does is it imports all the CV2 OpenCV libraries, right? In this libraries, there is a method called imread, and what does this method does is it reads the messages, it reads the images from the particular folder, right? So what I'm doing here as a part of the argument here is dot star images, that is a current folder slash images slash input.jpg. The current folder is CISC665. Under that images folder, this is the current folder, the slash images, and there is an input.jpg file here. See? And I'm reading this image and I'm storing it in an img variable, right? Then what I'm doing is calling an imshow method. I'm telling input message is the img variable what I am reading here, right? And cv2.waitkey. Waitkey is nothing but it is waiting for user to input any kind of a key. Like if I put waitkey dot 10 means it will wait for 10 milliseconds and then it will close the pop-up window. So it's, or I can give 100,000, 10,000, so on and so forth, right? So let's go ahead and execute this piece of code. Once I click on execute, there we go. So this is the input image, input.jpg. This is me, this is what it is displaying. And let me click on enter. It goes away. The pop-up goes away. So this program is nothing. This Python script, what it does is basically to read the images from the file. Let's go to the program 2. So what does this program do? The program 2 converts the input image to a grayscale image. We can modify the input image to different kinds of stuff. So what I'm trying to do here is in changing the color color picture to the grayscale picture, right? Again, for this, again, I'm importing the CV2 libraries. I'm creating a gray image variable. I'm reading the input image, and I'm telling it to change it to grayscale variable. So it has all the built-in things where we can call those functionalities to make changes to the existing picture. So it takes the input picture and converting it into grayscale. Now I'm telling now I'm again using the imshow method, a grayscale image and a gray image. And this is the image, and cv2.waitkey. It's the same thing. It is waiting for a key from the user. Now let's go ahead and execute this program. There we go. Previously it was a colorful image. Now it changed everything to grayscale, right? Again, let's click on enter, right? Now let's go to program 3. Program 3, what it does is it will read the image. You can modify the image if needed or not, and it will store the image into a different format. That is what I'm doing here. Again import CV2 libraries. I'm creating an img image variable. Again, imread. It reads the images and the JPEG file, and I'm converting it to a grayscale image. And I'm writing I am right. I am right is writing into a different file. Since there is already output, since I was doing a debug, let's change it to output to 1.png. Right, and what does the output 1.png contains? It contains the img variable. Img is the grayscale image, and this is the compression what I'm passing the variable. Let's go ahead and execute this. Now if I execute this, it should store output 1.png. If I double click on output 1.png, this is the image. This is the grayscale image. So for this exercise helped us in analyzing, reading the images from the file, making changes to the input file, input picture, and storing it into a different picture. Thank you, everybody.